Hey, what do you reckon? Yeah? Oh, tell me what you think. What do you think of your new lion slippers? They're good, huh? Yeah. Aren't they wonderful? Yeah. Yeah. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Tell Mummy. Yeah. I agree. I agree. Oh. Yeah. You're not sure about that camera though, huh? Okay. Should I take it away? I'll take it away. We'll take it away. See? Bye-bye, camera. Okay, should we turn it off? We'll turn it off. But we'll see your lion slippers. We can see them. And they're pretty.